Namaskar, we are Kathak exponents, Padma Shri awardee, myself Nalini
and myself Kamalini, disciple of Kathak Maestro Guru Jitendra Maharaj of Varanasi Gharana.
Interesting journey of say 50 years back if we go and I feel we have lived the full life in this profession and this devotion. I'll first say devotion because once you are in this field of art, especially Indian classical, the first step is devotion, and then all the achievements what you get in your work and the appreciation through the society. We have lived a full happy life in this 50 years. हम गुरु जी के सानिध्य में जब से आए हमने कभी भी नहीं सोचा हमको ये मिलना चाहिए, हमने सोचा हम सिर्फ अपने नृत्य की विधा में ही चलते रहें। पर एक बड़े आश्चर्य की बात है क्योंकि हम इसे भक्ति मानते हैं और भक्ति में कोई उपहार मिले तो आनंद आता है कि हमने आशा नहीं करी थी मिला। 2022 में पद्मश्री सम्मान से सम्मानित
And it was all because of our research work. It was not merely as a performer, but as a research work we did that was therapeutic value of dance, relation of dance with yoga, and aesthetics and spiritualism.
Bring the dance again to the courtyard of the temples, which were
reviving of pre-Mughal style of Kathak
dancing.
See, dance is a complete capsule of Indian culture. If we happen to perform a small item, we present religious, social, historical, environmental.
In releases, they are not attached with the sentiments what we present like Krishna, Radha and all. But when we present some rhythmic patterns, of course when we say dance is an international language, they are able to understand the change of rhythm. And of course the thrilling part of the India classical dances and the expression of that catches the audience, you know, and they become a part of you.
So all together, all these dynamic aspects and our contribution to the art in a different ways made our government think that they are not just dancers, they are doing something for the society.
And if we get the next birthday, I always looking forward to have a good journey of dance again. Also the association with ICCR and you also.
Thank you.
Namaskar.